Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So today we're going to be showing you how to install trading bots in two different ways to your MT5 or MT4 trading terminal. So whether you've purchased an EA straight from MQL5 or whether you've received one manually through us, Darkstone Capital, by the end of the video, you'll have it installed and ready to trade from your MT5 or MT4 terminal. So without further ado, we'll jump straight into it. So the first one that we'll cover is how to install a trading bot straight from MQL5. So if we open up MQL5 right here and we go to the market, we go to experts, and let's say we want to install this Quantum Queen X5 MT5. What you would do is you would buy or free demo. It would then show up in your MT5 terminal straight under expert advisors right there, and then you would be able to just straight install it to your charts. What I'm going to show you today is how to install a fresh bot manually, like you've received it through a third-party website or us, Darkstone Capital. So if we just remove everything out of our folders so far, I don't need any of this, so we're good to go. And then I can show you exactly from scratch how to install and run some backtests, hopefully. That is the plan. So then, we've got a blank terminal right now. If I switch to the file, I quickly found the file. Right, so I've now got the file copied to my clipboard. So if we come to file, in this top left hand corner, open data folder. I'll open up the folder full of the MQL data. So you want to go to MQL5, experts folder, and because it's an advisor, we need to open up the advisors section, and all you have to do is paste it just like so. Close that folder off. You can either close your terminal and reopen, or you can come to this section, right click, refresh, and then open up your expert advisors, and you should see in the advisors section the DS scalper. Simple as that. So then, to get this bot actually working and on the charts, then we would open up, let's say, Euro USD, open that up, go to whatever time frame is specified by the developers, and for this case it'd be the 1 minute time frame. Make sure algo trading is on, so we're going to turn that on. Come to tools, options, make sure your DLL imports are on. You don't necessarily need your web requests, but it would be good just to have them ticked for future reference. Click OK, and then it's a case of click and dragging onto your chart. Make sure the allow algo trading is ticked on. We come to inputs. We can see all the different inputs that we can change on this bot then, and then once we're happy, it's just a case of pressing OK and then letting the bot run. But for this video, we're not going to put the bot on screen. There's no point. We don't need it on and running auto trading just yet. That was just a quick tutorial to show you how to actually put your bot onto the charts and get it running. But there's a whole process to get the bot to where you need it to be before you install it to the charts. And in the next video, in episode 2, I will show you how to backtest through MT5 and how to develop your bot to find profitable settings or good enough settings that you may think, right, we're ready to run this on live market data. So if you haven't already, drop a subscribe to the channel and watch the next video to see how to backtest and optimize a simple bot ready for MT5. I'll see you in the next video, guys.